Okay, we're going to go ahead and get class started. When Marwan comes in, she'll sign. All right. How you doing? Good?
Yeah.
All right. Today's lesson, we're going to focus on the verb to have. To have. Now, last week, we worked on the verb to be, right?
Yeah.
I am, you, we, they are, he, she, it is. The verb to be. Okay? Remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we're going to talk about using the verb to have in the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. Present, of course, meaning today, right now, this moment, present. Okay? The past, yesterday, last week, last year, last month, etc. Something in the past, yesterday. The future, tomorrow, next week, next year, etc. In the future, tomorrow. Today, present. Yesterday, past, future, tomorrow, and beyond.
Next second, the future.
Hmm?
Next second.
Next second, well, the next second, that's now. That's a good one. Next hour, though, future.
Yeah.
Next hour, future. Okay,
Next minute.
try to trick me. Yep. All right. We're good on that, though? Okay. So now for the present tense. Today. Okay? I have, you, we, they have, and remember, okay, when we use they is used when there are two or more people. They is used when there are two or more people, okay? You, we, they have, okay? Now, for he, she, and it, we don't use have, we use has, okay? He has, she has, it has. Again, the present moment, today, right now, at this moment, okay?
Yeah.
He has, she has, it has. Now remember, we talked about this with the verb to be. It can be a pencil, a desk, a table, a ruler, or any one object or thing. Okay? Only one. Okay? Any questions?
No.
We good?
Yeah.
All right. Now we're going into the past tense of how to use the verb to have. Past tense, again, meaning yesterday. Okay? I had, you had, he, she, it had, you, we, they had. You use the word had for all of these nouns for only, for had. You only use the word had, okay? I'll give you a sheet, a worksheet to put into your folder too, okay? Had is used for I had, you had, he, she, or it had, you, we, or they had, okay? That's for yesterday, last week, last month, earlier today. The past, okay? We're good?
Yeah.
Okay. The future tense, tomorrow, next week, okay? I will have, okay? You will have, they will have, he, she, or it will have. Don't forget, will have. Put that will in the front, W-I-L-L, okay? Future tense. Any questions?
If we say going to have.
Going to have.
Yeah.
How would you put that in a sentence?
I going to have. What is that?
I am.
Yes.
I am going to have. You just don't say I going to have.
It's going to future too. Yeah.
I am,
Yeah.
that's to be. I am going to have what? You just can't say I am going to have.
Big trip. I'm going to have big trip.
Big tape.
Trip.
I'm going to have a big trip.
I will have two big trip.
I will have a big trip.
Yeah. It's same.
When will you have a big trip? See, there's more to that.
In the future.
You're going to have to say all of that in the sentence. I will have a big trip in the future.
Yeah.
You would have to say that complete sentence. You just can't say, I will have a big trip. Because people are going to ask you, when are you going to have it? So you need to have that complete. I will have a big trip next week or in the future.
Okay. If I say I am going to have
Have
Trip.
a big
a
trip.
big trip.
That's
In the
fine.
future.
That's fine. I am going to have a big trip. Okay. I hope you enjoy yourself.
Big trip and stop. Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
I am going to have a big trip. Subject, it's a complete sentence. It has a subject, you, verb, am going,
Yeah.
complete thought. It's a complete thought. I am going to have a big trip. Complete sentence. Okay? Any other questions? We good? All right. Here's some examples. Okay? Read that.
I have a book. Yesterday I had a test. Tomorrow I will have a class.
I will have class. Quick question. Which sentence is past?
Had second. Yesterday I had a test.
Which one is present tense?
I have a book.
Future tense.
Tomorrow I will have a class.
Good. 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 Okay. Go ahead and sign in. And you just missed a good part of the class, but we don't have a problem with going over it again because here's the worksheet. See? Right there for you. You didn't have to write. There you go. Okay, again, we are going over the verb to have, and it's on that worksheet, okay? Review last week, remember when we went over the verb to be?
Yeah.
To be? Read.
I am, you are, they are, we are.
Yep,
She is, he is, it is.
good. We went over that last week, to be.
Yes.
But today, we are going on how to use to have. But to use it in the present for today, the past, yesterday, the future, tomorrow. Okay? You were working on this in Edmonton. Okay, remember?
Yes.
Okay, so it's a review for you. Present tense on how to use to have. Present tense, present meaning right now, today, at this moment. Okay?
Okay.
I have, you read.
You have, we have, they have,
Now what are you supposed to remember?
they have. They have, but here it is right.
Remember about they.
Okay.
They is used when there are two or more people.
Okay. They have.
They, two or more people. Okay, now let's go to has.
He has, she has, it has.
Now remember when you use it, it can be a pencil, a desk, a ruler, a table, or any one object or thing. That's when you use it has, okay? In the present tense, okay? That's on that sheet that I gave you, okay? Any questions? Okay. Okay. Now, we're at the past tense. That's on there too. The past tense meaning what? Yesterday, last week, last night, yesterday. Present today, past yesterday. Okay? To use the verb to have, past, I had. Read that.
You had, we had, they had, she had, he has, it has.
Good. You had, we had, they had. That's the past tense. Okay? Any questions?
No.
Okay? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Future tense.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Later this week. Next week. Next year. Tomorrow. The future. Okay?
I will have, you will have, they will have, she will have, she will have, he will have, it will have.
Yep. Will have.
Will have,
Will have.
will have.
Yep. Always have that will in front of have.
From future. That's will used from future.
For future.
For future. Yes.
For future. I will have. You will have. We will have.
I will come tomorrow. That's good?
That's good, but that's not talking about to have. We're talking about to have right now. You're right. That's future. Will come. But we're talking strictly on the verb to have. To come is a totally different verb.
Oh.
But we're talking about to have. Okay? Don't forget that. Right now we're talking to have. But you're right. Will come is future tense for the verb come. C-O-M-E. Okay? Any questions?
I didn't know anything about this one. Good.
Okay. All right. Here's some examples. We just did this, but I'll go to you. Read that.
I have a book. And yesterday I had a test. Tomorrow I will have class.
Okay. Quick question. Which one of these sentences are the future tense of the verb to have?
And tomorrow we will have class.
Good.
This for future.
Which one is the present tense?
Present tense yesterday.
Present tense.
Okay, I have a book. That's good.
Yes. So what was the past tense?
Yesterday I had test.
Yep, don't forget, present is now, past, yesterday, future, tomorrow. Okay?
Yes.
All right. We're good? All right. Got an activity for you right quick. Write one sentence on that practice one for each tense. One sentence. Using the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense of the verb to have. I'll give you 3 minutes. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Ivy, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll wait for make sure she's ready. And the ladies go first.
Sorry, I'm not familiar with it. Sometimes can you help me? I will have,
That's future tense.
I will have a test tomorrow.
That's future tense.
I will-
Say it one each. You did the future one. I will have a test tomorrow. Good. Now do one for the past tense. And do one for the present tense. That's good. I will have a test tomorrow. And you know what? You will have a test tomorrow. So do one up here for the past tense and one for the present tense. While the young lady works on her other two, what do you have for future tense? The future tense of the verb to have. What sentence did you write?
I will have a new car next month.
Oh, good luck.
You will have a new job on January.
Okay, just one. Just one for future tense. What do you have for present tense?
I have a car.
You have a car, but you will have a new car next month.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the past tense?
I had a car.
I had a car.
I
Okay.
had an old car.
You had an old car. Good, good. Okay, let's see what she has.
I have one more class.
I have one more class.
Yes,
Okay,
for present.
that's good. And what's the past tense?
I had a doctor appointment yesterday.
I had a doctor appointment yesterday. Good job. Good job. And again, good job. Now, what we're going to do is a quiz to practice the use of the verb to have. Are you ready? Make sure you put your name at the top. I'll give you 10 minutes.
I have a question about future tense. Can I say you will have a good idea when you think it? Yeah?
You will have a good idea.
If you will think it.
You will have a good idea when you think it.
Yeah. When you think it. Yeah.
You will have a good idea when you think it. When you think of it.
Of.
When you think of it. Or you can say, if you think of it. You will have a good idea if you think of it. See how I said that? If you think of it. Not when, if. Okay? All right. Still, I'll give you 10 minutes to complete that. And then we will work on the answer.